Eleveo is in the process of moving from traditional maintenance agreements to delivering our solutions on a 3- and 5-year subscription basis. Over half of our customers have already made this switch. Why have they done it, and why should you? Well, first, we make it super easy. Second, it'll benefit you financially and operationally. With a move to subscription, you'll get a free upgrade to version 7X. And from that moment forward, your Eleveo software will remain current with all updates. You'll pay no professional service fees for the move to subscription. And you'll enjoy a unified pricing model with multiple modes of consumption, premise, cloud, and hybrid. For a limited time, customers who migrate to a 3-year subscription with our WFM product before the end of 2021 qualify for 1 year free with WFM licensing. If you use a 5-year agreement, we'll give you 2 years for free. For many of our customers, this promotion represents more than $50,000 in free products and services. This is one of the most lucrative offers we have ever had. Please contact us today as we'd love to discuss this with you in greater detail. Again, thank you so much for your support, and we look forward to working with you.
Eleveo. Elevate every encounter.